Samsung fans in India, here's some good news. The Galaxy A17 5G is finally coming, and unlike most recent launches, this one actually includes a charger in the box. Yep, you heard that right. Samsung has already rolled out the A17 in Ireland and Taiwan, and now India is next in line, with the launch expected on August 29th. And thanks to early leaks, we already know the official prices and variants. The Galaxy A17 will come in 3 versions. 6GB RAM with 128GB storage at 18,999, 8GB RAM with 128GB at 20,499 rupees, and 8GB RAM with 256GB at 23,499. And yes, each of them will ship with a 25-watt Type-C charger inside the box, something Samsung has been skipping in many of its premium models. Now, what do you get for that price? A 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display with 90Hz refresh rate and up to 800 nits brightness. The design looks more refined, especially the rear camera module. Speaking of cameras, you'll get a 50-megapixel main lens with OIS, a 5-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 2-megapixel macro, plus a 13-megapixel selfie shooter up front. Under the hood, it's powered by the Exynos 13-30 chipset, runs on Android 15 with One UI 7, and Samsung is promising an insane 6 major software upgrades, all the way to Android 21. Powering it all is a 5,000 mAh battery with 25-watt fast charging. So a big battery, solid specs, and a charger in the box, the Galaxy A17 5G could be one of Samsung's most practical mid-rangers this year. But what do you think? Do the specs justify the price? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more updates before the official launch on August 29th. Thanks for watching.